the golden path. Let's go forth and live our golden lives. The golden path to a financial world made new the foundation, training with the best before entering the halls of victory. With Ash, we will not simply be handed a manual. We will be honed by the best marketing professionals. This training will be to help create new relationships and remove us from our present circumstances. In a world where marketing skills can be scattered and self-taught, we will receive a rare gift, a structured professional foundation. We will move beyond theoretical concepts and engage in the kind of practical, case-based learning that transforms knowledge into capability. This will not be just about learning algorithms or ad copy. It will be about understanding human motivation, building genuine connections, and mastering the tools to communicate in a digital age. We will be equipped not merely to participate in the market, but to reshape it. The victory. Living life golden with a new lens. Passing through this thorough preparation. Living golden is the mindset of a visionary who has been thoroughly prepared. It is the confidence that comes from being ready. This golden life is characterized by several key principles. 1. A selfless and family-oriented spirit. True victory is not solitary. It is built on a foundation of mutual respect and a leadership style that makes everyone feel welcomed, valued, and part of a single global family. Our success will be interwoven with the success of those around us. 2. A heart-driven mission. The ultimate goal transcends profit. As we move to the next stage with Mr. Ash Mufareh's new company, we will be participating in something extraordinary, a mission to uplift humanity where the only language spoken is love. Our professional skills are now in the service of a higher purpose. 3. The readiness for real application. The training will be over, the teaser is ended. We are now part of a cohort of visionaries rolling up their sleeves and heading into the ripe fields to do the real work. The golden life is an active life, spent doing meaningful work we will be impeccably prepared for. Stepping forward on our path, the journey ahead is ripe with potential. Carrying this golden mindset forward means being a pioneer. We will step into a new world of technology that will eliminate the perils of internet inequity caused by the stale technology that users are confused with. Our actions will help define this new reality. Embracing continuous growth. The end of the course is just the beginning of our learning. Stay curious, remain open to feedback, and continue to adapt, ensuring our skills and spirit never tarnish. Knowing we are ready. The most golden moment is now projection. We have been prepared, we have passed the test, and the next stage of the journey awaits. The question posed to all visionaries is the one you can answer with a resounding yes. Are you ready? We have been prepared not just for income, but for a purpose. Let's go forth and live our golden lives. May our path with Mr. Ash Mufareh's new company be bright and impactful.